5 years. Coach, share ko lang. Last time we were here, November 8, 2019, yun yung laban ng Letran at LPU sa Final Four. Natalo ng Letran ang LPU to enter the finals on their way to that championship. That was the first of a three-peat for Letran. I did that game with Coach Renner Netualo, and it was such a great game between those two teams.
Ganyan talaga ang minsan nakakatawa yung mga games kung maaalala mo.
Oo. Tsaka classic yun eh.
Kung saan nagtitrigger yung kung saan nagmula.
Yun. Doon kasi nagpakilala, Coach, itong si Fran Yu para sa Letran. That was, the start of the play of Fran Yu doon sa season 95. Okay.
Smart guard naman yan si Fran Yu. Talagang blue chip rookie. Marami talagang mahabol dyan na player.
Meantime, fourth quarter is here. San Sebastian is in control. Raymar Escobedo goes all the way. Steal and the score for Escobedo, who now has 12 points.
Minsan yung predicament din ng coach kung isasagad mo pa ba yung mga key players mo dito sa laban. Alam mo, matindi yung playoff na gagawin mo in the coming weeks.
That's right. This is Coach Yuri. Yeah. Magbabase na tayo sa kanyang judgment. Siyempre, tiwala siya sa judgment niya dito sa laban natin. They know they have a tough matchup ahead against the Benil Blazers in the Final Four. Pero ibang key players niya nandito pa rin. Sige, puntahan muna natin ngayon si Mikay Mindanao. Mikay, go ahead.
Martin and Coach Jerry, we saw the Red Lions struggle in the third quarter at dahil nawala pa nga si Jamal Puno due to a sprain as per the team's physical therapist Alex Almonte. Meron lamang 3 reminders si Coach Yuri Escueta sa team at sabi niya na ang unang-una dito is to focus on their one-on-one defense. Second is to make the right reads on offense. And third is to focus one play at a time. Panoorin natin kung paano patunayan San Beda that they are really semis ready in this last quarter. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Thanks, Mikay. Well, things are not looking good here for the Red Lions. And Jomel Puno looks like he won't be able to return. That's the wise decision if you're the San Beda coaching staff. You want to preserve him in that Final Four game. Meantime, we'll see though if they'll be able to fight back here. They've been struggling since the tail end of the third quarter.
Yes, medyo they're out of sync.
Yeah.
Itong mga ilang minutes ago.
Their last basket as we see Leonard Velasco. Back-to-back hoops for this guy. 4 points and he stretches the lead to 7 points. Here's Raymar Escobedo showing out in his final game in the NCAA. 12 points across his name. And Leonard Velasco follow up right here. And then the play on the move, on the catch, able to finish inside. We rarely see San Beda have a height disadvantage against their opponents.
Yes, nakita nila yung magandang recognition yun, lalong-lalo na doon pumasa kay Velasco. Nakita niya, kantang-kan niya. Tama naman, hindi nila download, tsaka may advantage sila. Wala masyadong bigs. Pero ngayon, binalik si Song Kuya, tsaka si yung another new player, San Beda. Si number.
Eto, that's a rookie. High-flying rookie for the Red Lions. This came in the off-season for them. Itong si Coldura. High flyer ito. Talagang marami daw itong highlight dun sa mga pre-season tournaments nila. Coach, huling basket ng San Beda was 7:02 left in the third quarter.
Masyadong drought yan. Talagang natuyo. San Beda, bira mangyari yun. But well, again, medyo kalat yung pinupuntahan kasi ng bola. Hindi galing sa masyado sa sistema.
That's almost an entire quarter already since their last point. Hindi field goal, last point.
Yes.
So ngayon, nakapunto sa sila dito, Coldura, making the first.
Laking bagay sa kanya tong game na to, kay Coldura.
Oo, pagkakataon. Para maipakita niya kung ano yung kaya niyang gawin. 67-61.
Pero sila Are, they're on a mission. San Beda to, malaking isda ito pag nadali nila.
Yeah.
Kahit papano, di ba?
At ito, gigil din sila Raymart Escobedo. Again, this is his final game alongside Rex Gabat, the two graduating players for San Sebastian, and Escobedo will dance and score.
Isotop. Sa ibabaw kinuha.
Biggest lead for Baste. Yuken. Brian is trapped. Ball staying on the side of the Red Lions. Tignan natin to. Raymart Escobedo between the legs, crossover, one step to the lay.
Yung finishing niya, no? Tsaka kita niya, malakas siya sa kanan.
Sahon niya still could not buy a basket. It's a continued dry spell for the Red Lions from the field.
Tsaka maganda gamit ang oras nilang San Sebastian dito. Hindi sila pinamadali.
Oo. Eto na. Si Paeng. Are lost it. Unsportsmanlike foul. Automatic. Because it was an intentional foul. No play for the basketball. So, tinatawagan talaga yan ng unsportsmanlike foul ng ating mga opisyales. So, 2 free throws plus a bonus possession for San Beda as we see this play. Paeng lost it after the crossover, picked up by Coldora. Yeah, he just tried to stop Coldora.
O, natakawan siya, gigil na gigil. Nakita niya, Andrada lang eh.
Yeah. So, 2 free throws plus possession. Pero nire-review pa rin nila to. This is Toti Celeste and referee Maligaya. Dave Maligaya reviewing it. So, confirmed ang unsportsmanlike foul.
Dapat presence of mind dyan. Lalo-lalo na, ilan lang ang lamang mo? 8 points lang. Striking distance yan para sa Beda Boys.
Precisely. So, crucial to para kay Kim Coldora.
2 free throws for Ismael Coldora.
First year, barely used for San Beda initially. Nasa reserve list. Activated today.
Timing yung pasok niya.
Diba? Just missed on the second. Nagmula to sa UV. Sa Safi, coach. Nag-UV, University of Visayas.
Anak ko, maraming galing dyan. Magagaling.
UV Green Lancers.
Yes, oo.
Yan. AJ Coldora. And he gets fouled. So another trip to the free throw line. So ito yung hinahanap na spark off the bench ni Coach Yuri Escueta.
Parang ano din, parang Songkoya din, malaki.
Oo. Nailing the first. I wanna see though.
You know what, sometimes kahit free throw lang yan, nakaka-score ka, ang laking kumpiyansang nabibigay sa'yo ng player niya kung bago ka. Hindi ka umuwi ng 0.
Correct.
Siyempre, kahit pa paano, may number doon sa...
Hindi, tsaka ano to, marami pang oras.
Oo. Naka 2 points na siya.
2 points na. Both splits for Coldora. Paengare. Surveys. Ito pala si Coldora, coach, from the UV Baby Lancers sa juniors team. Step back 3. Short for Raymart Escobedo. And this is gonna be San Beda basketball.
Grabe, step back ni Escobedo, no? Ang layo.
That's his 4th personal foul. Penalty.
So, penalty na ang San Sebastian, coach. So, another trip to the free throw line for Coldora.
Yes, nakadalawang ano siya. Miss, kanina.
2 free throws for Ismael.
So,
We'll see kung makakadalawa siyang straight.
Ito pala yung team na pinanggaling niya, UV.
Oo.
Baby Lancer. Sa juniors yon,
Junior.
si Safi. Sila yung nakakalaban nila. Jared Bahay
Oo.
sa finals doon.
Sacred Heart.
Oo.
Cebu.
Cebu.
Malaki to. Malaking, alam mo naman ng Cebu pag when it comes to number 1, isa sa mga number 1 team yan sa sa Visayas.
Correct. Hindi, tsaka in terms of, basketball prospects, napakarami nang galing sa Cebu.
Oo.
Hindi lang gwardiya, pati mga big man, marami nang galing na Cebu.
Yes, si Gab Cometa.
Yan.
UV, galing yan
UV.
dyan.
Oo.
Coach Cortez.
Yun.
Dati, binanggit sa akin ni Coach Cortez yan noon Gary Cortez.
Galing si Gabi. Oo.
Carl Tamayo. Yan.
Tamayo.
Galing sa programa nila.
Bounce pass inside, Leonard Velasco. Bola ng San Beda Red Lions. So, a chance here for them to fight back.
Mahaba pa oras.
Haba
Marami
pa.
pa pwede mangyari dyan. 5 minutes.
So, this is AJ Arroyo bringing the ball across. Send it to the corner. Coldora is trapped. He throws it away. Rex Gabat. Paeng tracks it down. Here is Paeng Are. Are off the spin. Lost it after the contact. Gabat rips it out. Offensive board and a fresh 14. It's down to 7 though. Gabat. Tapos.
Walang legs. Kulang.
Di rin siya nakaset eh. Ooh. Turnover.
Medyo kulang sa hatak. Yan. Very... Pagbigyan natin si Royo, siyempre, bago yan. Oo. Yung familiarity minsan sa mga kasama, baka wala pa.
Felebrico drives. Gabat with daylight. Gabat knocks it down. The lead is 8 for San Sebastian.
Sabi niya kanina, anong walang legs, coach? Eto.
Meron pa. Here's the lob. Gabat. Just couldn't finish.
Yan, yung legs na yun. Baka pagod na. Baka kailangan ibaba.
Here's Royo. Coldora has it. Bounce pass to Songkuya. Coldora got to the middle. Nothing there.
Okay din yung lusot niya doon. Finishing lang. Sometimes okay yung primary. Primary attack mo, okay. Tapos yung kailangan yung secondary attack mo, matibay. Pwede mo na lusutan sa una, pero pag dalawa-dalawa na, paano mo i-finish yung tira? Ibang skill din yun.
And as we see this three-pointer, ito yung nag-paabante sa San Sebastian ng 8 puntos. Ibang skill yun, coach. And it's different also in the NCAA and in the collegiate scene, ano? So, yung mga galing high school, kahit may ganun sila nung high school sila, syempre dito, ang sasalubong na sa'yo, yung mga second layer defense or defenders.
Malalaki na.
Malalaki. Mas mahaba, mas malalakas din ang katawan.
May bangga na yun, may tukod. Kaya kailangan finishing mo, matibay.
So, yun yung idadagdag nila at ipupulido nila as they go along in their career. And San Sebastian getting another stop.
Kaya makita mo sa build nila, Escobedo, Are, talagang bukol-bukol ang mga braso, mga katawan. Sanay sa banggaan.
Raymond Escobedo inilusot off the glass. San Sebastian ahead by 10.
Para sa akin, balance. Yun yung pinaka main keyword ng ng team namin ngayon, balance. Walang star player, walang kung sino ka, walang nasa taas. Lahat kami pantay-pantay. So lahat kami mag-work and then
balik sa ating laban. It is San Sebastian with a 10-point lead. Rex Gabat dealing damage from the outside. Got the open look and adding on to San Beda's woes. Raymart Escobedo, how about this move? Going under the defense of AJ Royo.
Prime time move. Big time move. Makikita mo lang yan sa mga premiadong mga scorer. Yung mga ganyan lusot. Malagortisa, no?
Yeah.
Oo, mabibigat.
And he has shown that, you know, he has that capability and he has that in his wheelhouse.
Oo, mga legit na kamador yan.
Yeah.
Oo, yan ang mga in-demand sa mga out of town na laro. Oo.
Totoo.
Sigurado maraming kukuha na naman dyan. Mga panalay.
Tama, Coach. Sino kailangan nila?
Oo, hindi takot. May tira sa labas, sa loob.
16 puntos para kay Escobedo. Brian Sahonia draining it from the outside.
Oo. Kala ko, tahimik si Sahonia, tumahimik. Hindi pa. Meron pa. Lumalaban pa.
That was badly needed by San Beda, who has only scored 7 points dito sa ating fourth quarter. Paeng stops on a dime, runs into a wall. Rex Gabat, in and out, 10 in again to beat the clock. Big time hit from Rex Gabat. Let's see what happened here. Scramble, bagsak si Paeng, Gabat, forced to shoot, no problem. Pinakaba ng konti.
Talagang pag tinamaan ka, ni Gabat, magsisisi ka sa dulo. Ay hirap awatin. Gabat, Escobedo, Are.
Gabat and Escobedo. Some inspired play here in their final game in the NCAA. Teka, tignan natin yung nangyari, Coach. Are
Back
tapped
tip.
that from behind.
Back tip.
Oh.
Doon siya na ano.
Oh. Okay. $77-67 for the Red Lions. Again, this is a no bearing game for both teams. Dahil set na, nakalock na yung posisyonan natin sa Final Four. Because San Beda, even if they lose this one, at magtatabla sila ng record ng LPU, 10-8, lamang sila sa tiebreaker.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wala na. Talagang kahit na anong gawin nila, pasok na sila eh.
No.
I'm sure ang preparation nila yan is nandun na sa 2 versus 3 position eh. Oo. Pero syempre, as players, ikaw, ang ano sa'yo is, trabaho mo is to play hard every time, whether no bearing, practice game, or what. Go hard every time.
Oh, okay. So they waved off the basket.
Upon review, the challenge made by San Beda Red Lions was successful. The three-point shot taken by number 17, Reg Gabat, was nullified.
Okay. So,
Our official
Score
score
natin,
is
74-67.
74-67 in favor of San Sebastian Golden Stars.
that's a good challenge by San Beda.
Oo.
Good eye. Ito si Brian Sahonia. And now, mabibigyan ng free throws itong si Sahonia dahil nasa penalty na ang San Sebastian.
Ano yan? Because of that back tip, no? Oo. Ng ano ni Are.
Hindi pa tayo tapos, ha? 2:23 left. San Beda threatening to make a comeback here.
7 points.
Ito, coach. Oh, here's the catch. Let's see if it's out of his hands already. Nope. Yeah. Tama yung tawag doon.
Correct.
Malinaw pa.
Buzzer na.
That was even right before he released it. Hindi pa niya nare-release, ano?
Pumula na.
So, Brian Sahonia
Uy.
misses the first.
Medyo, free throws ang naging medyo problema nila ni Coldura nitong fourth quarter.
As a team, they are 12 out of 19. 1 out of 2 for Brian Sajonia. That makes it a 6-point game here. And it is with Raymart Escobedo. Escobedo has Sajonia shadowing him. He is the high point man for San Sebastian with 16. He now has Bonsalida on the switch. He wants this matchup. Escobedo for 3. No. Final 2 minutes of the last game. Here in the elimination round, it is Brian Sajonia forcing the issue and drawing a foul.
Oh, hindi. Sabi ni Sajonia siguro, hindi lang naman pwede akong recipient ng atake mo. Aatake din ako. Oo, ganun minsan eh. Hindi pwedeng, kailangan iskoran mo din yung defender. Hindi pwede, bigyan mo din siya ng problema. Yung mga ganun minsan na mindset ng mga players.
Yeah. At dito sa fourth quarter natin, at least in this stretch, in the last few minutes, Sajonia taking matters into his own hands. Dahil napansin niya, stagnant at maalat talaga yung opensa ng San Beda. So siya na yung gumagawa ng mga tira niya.
Yes, siya lang, at saka siya lang ang makakagawa niyan. Sa ganitong kombinasyon nila, siya lang ang pwede makaka-atake ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Si Brian Sajonia.
I think this is the first time we're seeing this 5 on the court for Coach Yuri Escueta. They have Sajonia, Royo, Kalimag, Bonsalida, and Songkuya.
I'm sure may tinitingnan si Coach Yuri Escueta dito na player eh, na gagamitin niya sa playoff.
Final 4, ano?
Oo.
Oo nga, ano? Meantime, there's a foul.
He's thinking ahead eh, Coach Yuri.
Yeah.
Ano baka merong makuha sila na isa-dalawang kombinasyon dyan.
14 on the clock for San Sebastian. Rex Gabat. Paeng. Paeng will attack. Kicks it out. Escobedo. Got it! 19 points for Raymart Escobedo.
Matigas si Escobedo na matapos walang humpay na atake.
Bonsalida will try to answer. Escobedo will wait. It's been a dream game for Escobedo today. 19 points on 8 out of 19 shooting. His final hurrah dito sa NCAA.
Si Are naman.
Kaya siya naman daw.
Ako naman.
Shot clock winding down. Are, step back 3. No! And Brian Sajonia collects the board. Sajonia. Lefty pass is picked off. Polo Gabat chooses to wait. He slides. He's fouled by Bonsalida.
Talaga medyo nilawagan sila ng mga coaches. Sige, atake nyo. Mga open, kaya, go. Nakatawa rin panoorin.
Look at this. Paeng Are to his buddy, Raymart Escobedo. Could be the final time we're seeing this in the NCAA. If they don't make the same play in the next one. Okay. Eto si Gabat na foul dito ni Bonsalida. Stags call for time. They're looking good. Up by 7.
Previous months namin, madami kami off-season tournaments, training outside of the country, mga 2 times, Japan and Indonesia. So nakakatulong yun sa off-the-court bonding namin and sa gelling ng team, and it helps a lot. And I think prepared na kami para sa season 100.
Sobrang sakit nun eh. Kasi finishing first sa elimination.
Raymart Escobedo in his farewell game for San Sebastian, going all out. 19 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists, 3 steals, and a plus 19. in the box plus minus
19
for Raymart Escobedo.
Sarap naman ng exit niya no? With a win. Kung sakasakali.
Those are his numbers. 39 and change left. It's a 7-point lead for Baste. Main players are out for Coach Yuri Escueta, with the exception of Brian Sahonia, who is still on the court. Gabat releases, deflected. And Rex Gabat preventing a fast break through the deflection. Red Lions.
Haba nun song kuya. Huli ka dun.
Time out muna tayo. Balik sa ating laban, NCAA Season 100. This is the last game of the second round. After this, in a few days, we'll proceed to the Final Four. Pero San Sebastian, San Beda giving us an entertaining show. San Sebastian so far in the second half. Diba? Outscoring the Red Lions 35-22.
Yes, especially dito sa backcourt, no? Dito sa NCAA talaga, pag wala kang matibay na backcourt, mga 3, 4, it will be a struggle. But itong Beda, balance eh. Merong decent backcourt players, meron din bigs na solid din.
Oo nga, Coach. You almost need an alpha guard on your team. Actually, you need it for you to be competitive.
Yes.
Alpha guard who makes the right decisions.
Alright.
There's gonna be a foul on the Red Lions, and the San Sebastian crowd are clapping. Hard-earned win for San Sebastian here. Pang-anim nila dito sa Season 100.
Tsaka something to look forward to. Tinalo nyo yung San Beda, di ba? Kahit pa paano, usap-usapin yan in the coming days, in the coming weeks. Sa kanila. Alam mo naman ang San Beda, very rich and tradition ng winning yan. Yung program, organization, solid.
Yeah, tsaka in a way, Coach, may rivalry itong dalawang schools na to eh. So, San Beda versus San Sebastian, dating back from the days of the Pinatubo trio, as Sahonia leaves it there. This is a confidence-boosting win for San Sebastian and a building block for their future. They pocket their 6th win of the season. San Sebastian wins over San Beda in the final game of the elimination round. Coach Arvin Bonleon, very happy with the performance of these guys, and our CDO Chicken Franks player of the game is Raymart Escobedo, scoring 19 points with a rebound, 2 assists, and 3 takeaways, and a +10 on the plus-minus. CDO Chicken Franks, taste the meaty chicken sarap. Player of the game performance in his farewell contest as a Stag.
Magandang yan. Magandang last game.
What a finish to his NCAA career. And Rex Gabat, also a graduating player, dealt